Durable, anodized machined aircraft aluminum construction. Rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Sliding metal sleeve protects USB port. White LED with high and low modes, high 350 lumens, 2950 candela peak beam intensity, 109 meter beam distance, runs 1.5 hours. Low 90 lumens, 840 candela peak beam intensity, 58 meter beam distance, runs 3.5 hours. Fully regulated output for consistent lumen performance over the battery life. Lithium-ion battery fully recharges in product in 2.5 hours, rechargeable up to 300 times. Top reviews from the United States. Quality lights. I've had many Streamlights over the years. Started with a pen light that takes AAA batteries to the Stylus Pro. I've always damaged them somehow. Never have failed me. But I'm a road mechanic and I work in industrial factories on equipment that will demolish tools if not extremely careful. I've dropped the lights in tanks and crushed by forklifts, acid corrosion, etc. Thing is, these lights aren't necessarily cheap but affordable. This is my first Stylus Pro USB charged. I've spent 10 times the money the lights cost on batteries. This should remedy that. They are very bright. They stay sealed through most everything. I haven't had to replace one due to leaks. I got battery acid on my hands and transferred it to the spare batteries once in a UV pen light, and it ate up the Energizer batteries inside and corroded to where they wouldn't come out. So these are good lights.